Hello, this is number 3 of the approximate 6 by 5 mini soft-cover journals that my sister helped me put together for beginner kits. Pretty. And she also put these, there's 3 threads for the signatures, and little lacy and flowers and buttons. And then there is 3 signatures. They each have 5 pages folded in half. I made this envelope a while back, and I put some punches and this little Forever Flawless as a tuck, maybe, and tiny punches. And then I have this little, it's a card, but it's out of a magazine or a book. This is Garfield, and it's the small ones out of the back of the calendar. A little negative punch of a butterfly, an Uno card, 2 punches from music paper, a trivia card or some kind of game card, this little fussy cut out of a book. I've got the Monopoly card with the Monopoly money. There's a tag. There's this I made a while back. A flower from a magazine. A bird card. And 2 little colorful pages out of magazines to add to the fun. That's number 3 in the mini junk journals. Thank you. Bye.